This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ashley Davis. Welcome to this beautifully designed home in College Park. This property boasts an open floor plan, high ceilings, and a spacious yard with a vegetable garden and room for a pool, offering ample space for comfortable living and entertaining. The heart of this home is the amazing kitchen, a chef's dream come true. It features stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, ample counter space, and storage galore. Whether you're preparing a casual family meal or hosting a gathering, this kitchen is sure to impress. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile bonus room. It's perfect for a home office, playroom, theater room, possible fifth bedroom with connecting full bathroom, or additional living space. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, there's plenty of room for everyone to enjoy their own space. This dream home is conveniently located near the best conveniences, amenities, and is easily accessible. Relax and enjoy a wide array of dining options at the renowned Packing District, where you can savor delicious cuisine in a trendy atmosphere. Being just minutes away from Publix makes grocery shopping a breeze. Grab everything you need for your family and be back home cooking dinner in minutes. Commuting to work or exploring nearby theme park attractions is a breeze with quick access to I-4 major highway connecting you to various parts of the city and beyond. If you want to stay active and healthy, check out the nearby YMCA. Whether it's a morning workout, swimming, or group fitness classes, you'll have it all at your fingertips. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to make this College Park gym your own. It's a rare find in a very desirable location that combines both convenience and lifestyle seamlessly. Schedule a showing today and envision the future you and your family could create in this amazing home. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Davis at 407-406-5300.